Hey, I'm Troy from Warspeed Industries in New South Wales, and this is our workshop. Most of our work we do here is based on either big blown injected alcohol burnout cars, event cars, show cars, tough street cars, and we also do the whole super ute category. So mainly LS engines only. We don't really do any other engines other than LS now. We've controlled it to one engine package and one engine package only. But yeah, let's have a look through the shop and see what's going on at the moment. Some of our machines floating around, our mills and a cleaning area which is closed off because it's dirty. Conrod machine waiting there with some conrods ready to be honed. And then we come through to some dirty area. I call it a dirty area. This is where we sort of strip all our engines. We'll get our processes in place. We'll strip them, we'll measure them, we'll check them, put on a job card and work out what we're going to do from there. Liaise with the customer, send him a quote and then start making it happen from there. A lot of our builds are brand new, so we don't really need a big dirty area because we try and start with everything brand new. Once we've done all our checks and measures and moved on, or we start with a brand new engine, then we head into the clean room, we start putting them all together. So this is where I try and hide away most of my time. Building engines, this one's a brand new crate engine that's getting pulled apart, checked, moved on, measured and stuff like that. And these are a couple of things that are working in progress. A current VF hill climb / circuit race car. And I said we only do LS's, but there's a big block in the background there, big block for an event car. Current super ute engine, and then a tough street car. This is sort of where we spend all our time. Obviously it's decked out with SP tools because that's what we use, and we've had a good relationship with the company for many years now, and we have no issues with our quality, so we keep on, our quality's good, so we want to work with quality products.